Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Tamagoyaki Sando. Tamagoyaki or Atsuyaki tamago is rolled omelette. It's a really popular Japanese side dish if you know. Eating egg omelette in a sandwich style is becoming really popular quite recent years in Japan. If you have ever tried it, it's really tasty yet delicious, interesting. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You need 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half teaspoon of dashi powder. Mix very well. By the way, to make nice and yellow tamagoyaki, you can use transparent soy sauce. Strain to make it smooth. Put in a square microwavable container, lightly cover with plastic wrap, then microwave on medium for 2 minutes. Uncover and mix well. Cover lightly again with plastic wrap, then microwave on medium for another 2 minutes. Remove from the container when it is warm enough to handle. Shape it nice and square while warm, then cool completely. By the way, right one is made with regular soy sauce. You can mix mustard and mayonnaise if you like. Remove the crusts. Apply some mayonnaise mixture. Place tamagoyaki between 2 slices of bread. Cut into halves, thirds, quarters, it is up to you. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. どうぞ召し上がれ。いただきます。やっぱり黄色い方がいい？パンがご飯のようになっていて美味しいです。はい。
Big ball. Small ball だよ。Small ball. Small cake. クッカってやる。Small cake. Small cut. そう。
上手。